Opioid Drugs and Opioid Drug Crisis. Hello, wonderful viewers. Today, we're embarking on a journey into a topic that's deeply affecting our society: opioid drugs and the opioid drug crisis. This is a critical issue, and understanding it in detail is crucial. The opioid epidemic. What are opioids? Let's begin by defining opioids. These are a class of drugs that include prescription painkillers like oxycodone, hydrocodone, and fentanyl, as well as illegal drugs like heroin. They are powerful pain relievers, but they also have a high potential for misuse and addiction. The alarming statistics. The opioid crisis is often described as an epidemic because of its widespread impact. In recent years, opioid-related deaths have surged, and millions of lives have been affected. To truly grasp the magnitude of this crisis, we must confront the staggering statistics. The root causes. To understand the opioid crisis, we need to examine its root causes. It's not a simple problem, but a convergence of factors. These include overprescription of pain medications, the availability of illicit opioids, the lack of access to addiction treatment, and the stigma surrounding addiction. The impact on individuals and communities. The opioid crisis doesn't just affect numbers. It devastates lives and communities. Families are torn apart, and individuals face unimaginable challenges. It's vital that we recognize the human toll of this crisis and show compassion to those affected. The path to solutions. Amid this crisis, there is hope. Solutions exist, and they involve a multifaceted approach. These solutions include increased access to addiction treatment, harm reduction strategies, education and awareness campaigns, and the responsible prescribing of opioids. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Wonderful viewers, an in-depth exploration of opioid drugs and the opioid drug crisis. It's a complex issue, but by understanding its intricacies, we can work together to find solutions. If you found this video informative and believe in spreading awareness about this crisis, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Together, we can raise awareness, reduce stigma, and support those affected by the opioid epidemic. Thank you for joining us on this journey of understanding and empathy. Let's continue to educate ourselves and advocate for a future where the opioid crisis no longer casts its shadow on our communities.